Hello, are we live? Okay, as you guys know, I always take a couple of minutes. I wait for everybody to come and then I start talking. Because who am I talking to otherwise? Till then, I will have my water. Oh, lots of people are here already. Hi, everyone. Hello, hello, hello. My hair is looking very, very bad. Please excuse me on that. Hi, guys. It is so nice to be here again. I did sort of my first live session a couple of days ago, a few days ago, and it was great fun talking to everybody. Right from my house, I felt like, I had done an event or something, meeting so many people. So, obviously, me partnering with my family at Sugar Free, we decided to do one more session today, and we'll probably do one more in a few days where we'd like to come and talk to you about how you're keeping yourself fit and healthy during this quarantine because, as you know, all of us can get really lazy. As you can see, I'm in my bed with my cushion because I'm lazy too. But whatever we can do to be as fit and healthy as possible, we will do. And today we're here, we'll have a quick chat about the small steps and some big steps that you can take and be happy. Okay, as usual, everybody started asking me about my house. So guys, I'm really I want to be slightly private with my home pictures. I don't like to share too much. I've only done one photo shoot in my life of my old house, and the new house that I live in, I've not shared much, but I can show you the view. There you go. Okay, it's starting to get dark, so the view is going, but I am here with lots of cushions. But let's get started. So it's very simple. I'm going to start by answering some of your questions. For those who've for those who've tuned in now, I am safe in my house, social distancing and self-isolating, of course. I am alone because I live alone, and my staff has left because I would like them also to be safe in their homes. So it's just me. So I spend most of my day cleaning my house, cooking this much. I'm not a very good cook, but whatever little I can cook, I try and cook as much as I can, fresh home food. My friends have been sending me a lot of food because they know my cooking skills are not that great. And they've been sending me a lot of food. So thank you to them. You guys know who you are. Thank you for that. And come on, let's start answering some questions. So, Shron, I see a question from you. Why only sugar? Why are you so particular about sugar? It's just a little bit daily. That's a very good question. It's true. We use only maybe a spoon or 2 spoons, 3 spoons a day of sugar. But the problem is that it piles up and it's empty calories. Sugar gives you no sort of real nutrition. It's just empty calories. And if you're trying to be fit and you're trying to keep down the weight, or even if you're trying to just remain as healthy as you can, sugar is the first and the easiest thing that you can remove out of your routine, out of your diet. Sorry. So that's what I did. I just realized that sugar is just something that I can live without, and it's just something that makes no difference if you just switch your normal sugar, normal white or brown sugar, to sugar free or sugar free green, because sugar free green is made of a plant. It's made of methi, and it's really, really healthy, and at the same time it tastes absolutely the same. So why not? If I want to eat that brownie, or if I want to have that cup of tea or coffee in the morning and I am going to put the sugar, then why put normal sugar? Why not use something healthier like sugar free? So I just thought that was the easiest, smallest fix, and people don't realize that even if you eat a fruit or you eat certain vegetables, there is natural sugar in it. So if you are going to eat those foods with the sugar in it, then why not eliminate the ones which has this extra sugar in it? So that was step one, and I just realized it made a whole lot of difference. Too much sugar can make you lethargic. It can give you so many health issues. It can put on the weight. So it's really just the easiest thing to eliminate from your diet. That is why sugar. Sorry for the very long answer. You are alone, and I am also alone. Let's make dual fun, Pari. First, I'll try and translate this question. I have not understood it very well, but okay, let's make dual fun. Hi, Pari, you're so cute. Thank you so much. You always look so beautiful. How sweet. Thank you so much, guys. I really like coming to these live sessions just because you guys make me feel so good about myself. So, thank you. Namaste Pari ma'am, Amit Kumar कह रहे हैं, what is the hidden secret about your glowing skin? Hi Amit, thank you so much. Actually, touch wood, I have been blessed with really good skin from my mom and my dad. They also have great skin actually. And even growing up, I didn't have any like acne or pimple. I had really fresh skin. And even right now, I know it looks like I've put foundation or something, but actually I've put nothing. If you can see. Okay, that was a very scary close-up. But guys, I didn't put anything. But I did want to put some kajal and then I put some lip balm just so that it looked brighter. But it's also because of the lights in my house. The lights make my skin look really good. So see, I'm a very honest person. I will never lie to you. So it's the lights, and also I drink lots of water, and I sleep a lot. And I also don't use too many products on my skin. For many years, I've just like wash my face and I put like one moisturizer and I leave it. I don't do like, I know a lot of girls and boys do like toning and moisturizing and exfoliating and facials. They do a variety of things which works great for them. But for me, I feel like just washing my face every single day and just putting moisturizer, that's what works the best. Okay, you are my forever crush. Thank you so much. You are also my forever crush. Forever and ever. Can you make any song during lockdown? Prafulla Deshmukh is saying. Yeah, actually I've been thinking about this, and a lot of people have messaged me and they want to do things with me, and they want to do some music stuff. So I've started thinking about it now. Initially I thought that the lockdown would not be this long. So I kind of took it easy, but now that I feel that, so many extensions are happening, now I have more time. So I'm definitely going to do something. Supriya Pandey, thank you so much. Supriya Pandey just said, stop playing with your hair so much. It's very distracting. So thank you for that tip. I'll just touch it one last time, Supriya. And I promise I will not touch it now. Okay, stop me if I touch with my hair again, guys. I swear I will not play with my hair now. My dear, as you want, my love will never change. Prateek Singh is saying, Pariniti, you can eat as much sugar as you want and I will never love you less. Thanks. But I have removed my sugar intake. So, Chintan Jain is saying, are you learning something new during the quarantine except cooking and puzzling? So a lot of people know that I have been doing a lot of puzzles and a lot of codes. I have many code books. Actually, in my next live session, I will show you what I'm up to. I will show you some of the big puzzles. There's a 2,000 piece and a 3,000 piece jigsaw puzzle that I've been doing. So that is really helpful in passing the time. I've also, oops, I will not touch my hair. And I've been doing a lot of code books. And other than that, honestly, just like 3 or 4 days ago, I really thought I should begin to learn how to cook. Because a lot of my friends are really good cooks and they are effortless in the kitchen. And I really want to imbibe that. So I'm going to start learning a little bit. I'm going to start like video calling them and taking some tips. And then maybe I should try to learn how to cook, which I don't know how to do. Jibin Joseph just said, your eyes are looking very different today. Are you wearing contact lenses? No, I am not. These are my original akhiyan. No, Jibin, you are wrong. Uh, who gave you the idea to go live? It's a good idea. Thank you so much. I actually have to give all the credit to my sugar-free family. They are the ones who came up with this idea. I actually thought I might not be very good at it and I was nervous about coming live, but they really encouraged me because we do want to spread this really, really important messaging about how to keep yourself fit and fine and eliminating sugar from your diet. So I really thought that made a lot of sense and I really wanted to come and talk to you guys about. So thank you, sugar-free family. Okay. Now, what is the next question? Okay, some of the question. Okay, another question that has come in is: can you? Why only eliminate sugar for your own diet? Why not for your entire family? Not for my own diet, for my entire family, for everybody in the house. I live alone in Bombay, but even back home in Ambala, I have told everybody, instructed everybody to use sugar free because it's not only for me; it's for every single one, every single one of you out there. Sugar is something that is invisible in our food and we don't think about how much we put. So just replace it with a sugar-free green product because it will taste the same and it will not give you the calories that original sugar gives. So it is a very, very easy fix, guys. I know all of us spend so much time in the gym or working out, just trying to drop that weight. And we have such an easy solution here. So why not just use it, especially when now all of us are not able to go to gyms and we're not able to work out as much as we normally do. This is a great solution. Vishwa Patni, I have answered this question already. It's a good question, but sorry, I've missed out on so many comments. I'm just trying to read all the comments. Very good. Atul Jha is saying, what are the upcoming projects? So, as you know, guys, we were going to release a film called Sandeep or Pinky Farrar in March, but of course, the lockdown started. Then in May now, there was going to be Girl on the Train, which again has also gotten delayed. So we are going to wait for cinemas to open up, life to get back to normal, because of course the health of the audience is very, very important for all of us. So obviously we will not release a film at this time. So the moment everything opens up, the lockdown opens up, that's when we will even think of releasing our films. Okay, what is the next question? तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बनके मैं. Oh, I'm getting scolded again for touching my hair. Sorry, guys. I will not touch my hair. I can't help it because so I'm looking at myself and your comments. So I keep looking at my hair and I don't like it and then I keep shifting it. So it's very difficult, guys. How do I not do it? Pari Pari Chabi, who will be your hubby? Even I don't know. Please find somebody for me. तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू हो तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरी फसलों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू. My dad has done the landscaping at your home in Ambala. Is it true? Wow. Thank you so much, Rupinder, if that is true. So, my family, everybody knows, my family lives in Ambala. I have a lovely home there. And it is surrounded by a lot of plants and trees. So, it's very important. That's why even in my own home, I've kept a lot of plants in my balcony. And nowadays, because I'm alone, watering them is a big task. But... okay, what is the next question about diet and fitness? Thank you so much, guys. Aditya Gupta, how would the film industry be affected?